Today we're graphing quadratic functions that are written in factored form. Factored form is f of x equals a times quantity x minus p and quantity times quantity x minus q and quantity. So when it's written as the factors here, we can take a look at this number here that we're subtracting from x, and that is where our x-intercepts are. So please note that when we have this minus sign here, but we don't have it here, these are going to be opposite signs. Likewise with your second factor as well. So to graph this function, f of x equals x minus 2 quantity times quantity x plus 5. Our x-intercepts will be the opposite of negative 2, so positive 2, 0, and the opposite of plus 5, so negative 5, 0. So I'm going to come over here and plot those points, 2, 0, and negative 5, 0. Then the axis of symmetry will be halfway between them. So to find the halfway point, add those x-intercepts together, negative 5 plus 2, and then divide that by 2. So negative 3 over 2 as a decimal is negative 1.5. So x equals negative 1.5. That's right here. So we'll draw a vertical line at x equals negative 1.5. So this x value is also where the vertex is. So I'm going to substitute negative 1.5 in for x. So there is x in two places here. Make sure we substitute negative 1.5 for both of them. In this set of parentheses, negative 1.5 minus 2 would give us negative 3.5. And then in the second set, negative 1.5 plus 5 gives us positive 3.5. So by order of operations, we do the subtraction inside the parentheses first and the addition inside that parentheses. Then we'll do the multiplication. Negative 3.5 times positive 3.5 is negative 12.25. So the vertex, we've substituted negative 1.5 in for x, and we got negative 12.25 for y. So then we would plot that point, estimate. I know it's not a lattice point, so just do your best. Next, we're going to find the y-intercept, which would be when x is 0. So substituting 0 in for x, we would do what's in parentheses first. 0 minus 2 gives us negative 2, and then 0 plus 5 gives us 5. And then the multiplying, negative 2 times 5 gives us negative 10. So we plot 0, negative 10. And then we can reflect that across our axis of symmetry. So it is 1.5 units from our axis of symmetry. So 1.5 units on the other side and put the point. And then carefully connecting your points and make sure we put arrows on both sides of our parabola. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that follow button.